Hi, I'm Dr. Xavier Borràs. I'm one of the implant dentists here at 3Dental in Dublin. The treatments I provide at 3Dental, it goes from single implants to a full mouth rehabilitation. I also provide IV sedation, so the patients can keep relaxed during all the process. The patients usually come to me is because they have some missing teeth or teeth failing, and they lost confidence when they smile, or they lost function to chew their food. When the treatment is done, the patients are surprised of how natural it looks and how confident they feel again. What I like from providing this treatment is how fast it works, how predictable it is, and just see how the people can feel confident again. The implants are very predictable because our experience, all the technology we're using, our own laboratory with expert technicians, and the quality as well of our implants. If you're anxious during the consultation, it won't be any procedure done, so it will be just a conversation and taking some x-rays. And then after this, we will give you a treatment plan. If you're happy, then you can go ahead with the treatment. If you like to book an appointment, you can book in our website, 3dental.ie, or give us a call and one of our receptionists will go back to you.